Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today, happy Friday, we are going to give you guys a quick market update before the market actually opens, which is going to open in 15 minutes. We have some data to show you. We have some levels that we actually predicted that were going to happen with Bitcoin. So we're going to show you that. We're going to show you the ETH prices, and we're going to show you what we think altcoins are going to be doing in the next couple of months. But guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ding the bell to be notified, and make sure you guys are catching the live streams that are Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So right now, first, we're going to show you the liquidation levels for Bitcoin. And in the past 12 hours, we're seeing some high action at a 107 and some high action at 103. So basically, we're at this pinch point where the market could decide to liquidate the shorts up at 107. We can have a cascading short squeeze here, but also we have longs that can get completely smashed at 103,000, and it matches up with some levels that we've been charting with Bitcoin on the Bitstamp chart. As you can see here, we have 107 as one of those levels and also 103 marked as the line in the sand. So why do we have these levels marked? Well, yesterday we were charting Bitcoin and we said, look, if we go any lower, we have high liquidity sitting at 104,000 and also at 102. Bitcoin smacked and wicked right into that same area where we called yesterday. And now if you look and see the next level that Bitcoin could be eyeing is where high liquidity is sitting at 102, and it would make sense that they would cascade that price into that area because you can see where the action is right here. Now also we have some options expiring. We had a Crypto Rover, shout out to Crypto Rover, saying that $10 billion worth of Bitcoin options and $1.6 billion worth of Ethereum options are set to expire today. So there should be some volatility. So we asked Grok, we said, Grok, explain this further. So Grok said, options are contracts allowing traders to bet on Bitcoin, Ethereum price movements without owning them. So we know that today, May 30th, over 10 billion and 1.6 billion in Ethereum options expire, potentially causing price swings as traders adjust the position. So Bitcoin sitting at that 105.6 right now. So the price right now, if we're looking at Bitcoin, it is at 105.4. So pretty dead on to where this post was. So Ethereum at 2,600 with bullish sentiment possibly amplifying the volatility. However, low implied volatility and growing institutional adoption, like recent Bitcoin ETF options approvals, might limit extreme moves. Historical expirations, like the $15 billion in March 2024, showed similar patterns. So we need to monitor key levels like the $100,000 price point for Bitcoin, which is looking like if we break through that 103, then one of the last high liquidity levels can be at that $100,000 mark. So also we've been following James Wynn, the legendary trader that's been the talk of the town right now. This is his wallet. So if you actually want to follow the wallet, we'll actually post this Hyperscan address on our X, so then you guys can follow it as well. But you can see the transactions. You can see that I think his Bitcoin long was closed or was completely liquidated because I feel like the market was trying to hunt him down. His liquidation was at 105,100, and you can see that Bitcoin did trail and wicked right down to that level. So they were almost like hunting him down. But now he has a Pepe trade open. So you can see he has a Pepe trade open, and also the same person is calling for some bullish things to happen with Pepe, and also this other coin called Mooding, or not Mooding, but Moonpig. And you can see, let's see, I'm currently selling everything except Bitcoin, Pepe, and Moonpig. So Moonpig is his meme coin of choice. This trader, this whale trader. But we like that he mentioned Pepe, and then we were following his wallet and noticed that he went long on Pepe just about 20 minutes ago. So should we be following what he's doing? Well, I don't know. You guys would probably disagree, especially since he round tripped, however much, like what was it, $80 million or something like that in profits. So pretty crazy. So if any levels we want to start watching right now for Bitcoin, just to keep on track, and especially with the volatility, because at the same time, we have all this, the options expiring, but then we also have the Trump and China deal is not looking good. It's not looking good. Apparently, we've had the U.S. or in China. Yeah, right here. President Trump says China has violated its tariff agreement with the U.S. So now we got some more tariff things that we have to worry about. So this is just going to add to the volatility today, and going into the weekend, it could get real dicey, guys, because you can see here that we're just teetering, and we're on a downtrend from the highs here, on a downtrend from the test to the highs, because we didn't test to break through 112 again. We tested it once, and you can see here just a basically a bearish divergence, where we were not able to make a higher high here to break through to 115, 114 is where a lot of the TA guys and gals have been looking for that price to break through, because that was one of the Fibonacci extensions. So are we looking for lower prices? Well, I think we are. I think if anything, if we hit this level and respected this level right here of high liquidity, and we got liquidity right here, I think I would look for a area of 102,000 as a potential bounce point, and it lines up pretty well with also the liquidations that can happen, and also the options expiring for today. Now, I want to mention also, just in reference of the bullishness on Pepe, if you guys yesterday didn't see that we had the president post a Pepe meme. So I just thought that was just fascinating. And this was just I was not expecting this. I mean, we've been seeing Elon Musk post Pepe memes for the past year now, and before he was posting Doge memes. So then it switched, started posting the Pepe memes, and went on a full Pepe tear. And now we have the president of the United States literally posting a meme that has Pepe in it. I mean, what is this? Why? It really, if you think about it, there's no context. He's on a mission from God, and nothing can stop what is coming. And then there's just a Pepe in the background. So it's just fascinating. And I feel like I can't fade the possibility that Pepe will be one of the top coins of this cycle and get to some type of astronomical market cap, to $40 billion market cap. Because if you think about it, Dogecoin being the pick of the last cycle and was the biggest runner, and also performs well and outperforms Bitcoin every single time since its existence in the bull runs, Dogecoin was able to get to a $70, almost $80 billion market cap at its peak. So we just want to remember that. You go to market cap and you go to all-time high market cap here, and it was at a $73 billion market cap, okay? And if Pepe is going to be the pick here for this particular cycle, and we're sitting at a $5 billion market cap, and we've been able to get to an all-time high market cap of, let's see here, 10 billion. I think 40 billion is easily attainable. I even think 100 billion is attainable. I know you'd think I'm crazy, but I really believe that during these next 6 months to a year, we're going to see an extended cycle out. So we're going to see volatility. We're going to possibly even see Bitcoin go back to 100K. I hope it doesn't go under 100K, because it'll make the alts get destroyed. But Ethereum is showing strength still. Ethereum is showing strength. I think Ethereum is going to be going and crushing up back to its all-time highs, or even getting close, into the 3000s again. We do that, we're going to see the memes and the strong fundamental projects that are, have high liquidity of the alts are going to pump on that. So I'm really excited. I'm still bullish, guys. Like, I'm still mega bullish. Even though we've had a bit of a bad trading streak, you win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. We're going to try our best to survive, because that is the whole point of this point of the cycle right now, is just to survive and don't quit. because if you don't quit and you stay through this volatility, I think we will be massively rewarded. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in to this quick update on the markets. Stay safe out there. Like I said, a lot of volatility. We got options expiring today. We got the China, USA trade deal kind of getting botched a little bit. So we'll see how that shakes out. And I will see you guys on the next live stream. Peace out.